There was a time when tackling wrinkles meant war, when linen meant commitment, and every outfit came with a side of elbow crease. My grandmother once said, if you love something, you iron it. I say, if I have to iron it, I don't love it that much. But not anymore. Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and having a great day so far. Today I am sharing a little laundry lifesaver that might just change how you feel about ironing, especially now that it is spring and we are already breaking out our favorite linen pieces. Let's be honest, linen is a vibe, but the wrinkles, not so much. So this is the Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam 2-in-1 steamer and iron. It's small, mighty, and ready to rescue your wardrobe without the hassle of dragging out a bulky ironing board. I have been using the older version for a while, but when I saw this new one, I noticed a few exciting upgrades. Today I will walk you through everything, what's new, how to use it, and how it performs. So before we dive in, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all of that said, let's get into it. Alright, now let's do a quick rundown of the new Conair steamer, and for reference I brought out the older version so we can see what's changed. So the new one comes with an 8-foot power cord, so you've got plenty of reach, and the water tank holds about 10 ounces of water, a bit more than the older version, so hopefully fewer refills while you're working through a pile of clothes. Now it weighs about 2 pounds and 9 ounces empty, 3 pounds and 3.6 ounces full. So sure, it's a bit heavier with a full tank, but honestly I would rather a bigger tank and not stop constantly to refill. And the overall design is compact, just like the older version, and I love that it still has the taper tip. It's great for getting around buttons and collars. Now on the old model, the steam head tilts slightly upward and the grip is a bit thicker, not ideal for smaller hands. Now the new model has more of a neutral steam head angle and a slimmer, comfier grip. The only thing is your hand sits closer now to the heat, so just be mindful of that. And the new upgraded solo blade now has more steam vents, especially toward the top, giving you better coverage and faster results on big items like bedding or dresses. So overall, they kept what worked and made a couple of smart improvements. A solid upgrade. Alright, now let me walk you through the setup. It's very quick and easy. So first up, just unplug the unit and stand it upright. Now grab the water tank and pull it straight out. There is a rubber cap on top, so just pop that open. And now fill it up with cool distilled water. Now close the cap and snap it back into place. And now you can plug it in and press the power button. The light blinks while it heats up. It takes about 10 seconds, and once it's solid, you are good to go. It automatically starts on the high setting, but you can choose from 5 different steam levels using the plus or minus button. So you have extra low, low, medium, high, and turbo. And for stubborn wrinkles, you can hit the burst of steam button. This gives you a powerful blast that really helps. And if you are working with delicate items like silk, you can definitely use the delicate button. Now this lowers the temperature and softens the steam so you don't damage anything. Just note, this cannot be used at the same time as the 5 standard settings. And lastly, we have the steam button. So once you are all set, just press this button and you can glide the steamer over your clothes. You can use it vertically on hanging garments like dresses or curtains, or you can lay things flat and go horizontal like a traditional iron. And the steam output is really strong and sturdy, and it makes quick work of wrinkles. Just glide it over your fabric and let the steam do the work. For heavy duty wrinkles, you can definitely just press the steamer gently against the fabric for a second or two. Just remember, no long holes on delicate materials. Alright, so that was your steaming setup, but here's my favorite part. This steamer doubles as an iron. So let me show you how I use it as a traditional iron. So if you want to dry iron only, simply don't press the steam button and the sole blade stays hot, so you can still use it to smooth out wrinkles without adding moisture. It's perfect for fabrics that don't respond well to steam, like wool for example. But if you do want the power of steam, you can simply just press the steam button and you are good to go. Personally, ironing with the steam is my favorite way to use it. It glides over fabric and tackles wrinkles like nothing else. Now here's one of the clever features I think more steamer need. The Smart Touch sensor. So to turn it on, you have to press and hold the plus or minus button for 2 seconds. When the lights flash, the sensor is active. So now when you set the steamer down, it automatically pauses the steam for you. And when you pick it up again, it will kick the steam back on. No buttons you need to press, no steam wasted. So now you can take your time between garments without worrying about it coming in the background and wasting steam. I seriously love that. And if you happen to walk away from the steamer for any reason, we've all been there, the steamer goes into sleep mode after 20 minutes of no use. And to wake it up again, you just have to press any button and you are back in business. Next, let's talk accessories. This steamer came with a few nice attachments that will help you tackle any garment, no matter the fabric or style. So first up, we have the delicate bonnet. This one is like a soft little hat for your steamer. It is designed to protect fine fabrics like silk, and to attach it on, just make sure your steamer is off and the sole blade is cool to the touch. Trust me, this sole blade stays hot longer than you would expect. And to attach it on, you're just going to snap it directly over the steam head. You will hear a click. That means it is locked into place. And now you can just glide it over your fabric. It works like a gentle buffer. It still gives you that good steam, just like with a softer touch. It's perfect for bridesmaid dresses, delicate scarves, or anything that makes you nervous to hit with heat. And next up, we have the crease tool attachment. This one is your go-to for sharp, clean lines. And to attach it, the same deal. Just snap it directly over the steam head. And now you can just glide it over your fabric where you want those sharp edges. Paired with the steam, it gives you that freshly pressed, just off the rack look, and I really like it because we can do all of that without dragging out the ironing board. And lastly, we have the 2-in-1 attachment. So on one side we have the silicone band. This one grips the fabric slightly to hold it taut while you steam. And on the other side we have this bristle brush. Now this one loosens up the fibers and helps the steam sink deeper into heavier fabrics like denim or upholstery. And you can only use one side at a time, so make sure you flip it to whichever side fits the job. And when you are all done, press the power button to turn it off, unplug the steamer, and don't forget to empty the water tank before you store it away, then it's ready to go for the next time. Whether you are smoothing out silk, tackling tough fabrics, or pressing collars, this little thing just does it all. I love that it is compact, it heats up fast, and it works on all kinds of materials. And honestly, it might just be the only steamer you'll ever need. And with that, we wrap up this video, guys. I hope that you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!